What is up, guys? I'm sure you're looking for a very delicious gluten-free vegan high-protein burger without soy. I got you. This is amazing. It's good. I don't lie. Enjoy. Let's get started. To a blender or a food processor, add in 2 cups of canned black beans, 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, 1 medium-sized onion that has been chopped up, 4 cloves of whole garlic, a half of a fresh jalapeno. Make sure you scoop the seeds out and throw the seeds out, then put it in there. Now add in 2 tablespoons of vegan barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, now 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now secure your lid to your food processor or your blender. Make sure it's tightly put on. Turn your blender onto a low speed and take breaks in between and use a spoon and push the ingredients down so that way you can fold it down so the blades get that more chopped up. And just remember, this doesn't need to be a super smooth texture. Just make sure it's blended fully and there's no huge chunks, at least like of onion, and then that should be good enough. After it's done, go ahead and scrape it and scoop it all up into a large bowl. Make sure every little bit is scraped out of your food processor or blender, and go ahead and place this all into your refrigerator for 45 minutes to get the oats to soak in with everything else. After the 45 minutes is up, pull it right out. Get a sheet tray that has been lined with a non-stick parchment paper. I am using an ice cream scoop. You can use a spoon. Make sure you measure each patty out evenly and make sure they're all the same size, and use your hands to push it down on top. You do not need to roll these into your hands. It goes straight on to your tray just like this, and I'm pushing it down, making it look like a perfect circle patty shape. They should look just like this, and make sure they're kind of spaced apart. Don't put them too close. Now go ahead and grab some avocado oil or olive oil and put it over the top of the burgers. Do not put too much, just a little bit. You're just putting it over the tops just to crisp the top up as quick as possible in the oven. Baking process, basically only like a few drizzles on top. And then just take the back of your spoon and smear it all over the whole entire top of your veggie burger so that way the oil is evenly spread out on the top. And keep this in mind, you do not have to use oil. It's super optional, but I like a good crisp, so I'm using oil. Make sure your oven is 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and go ahead and place all your veggie high protein burgers right up in the oven and set a timer for 17 minutes on your oven. After 17 minutes are up on your oven, go ahead and pull them out. Let them cool at least 3 minutes. Now flip every single one over. And then place it right back into your oven for 11 minutes. Now after they're completely done, pull them out of the oven, turn your oven off, let it cool down for at least 15 minutes to let it set completely, and go ahead and scoop them up, put it over a bed of lettuce or however you choose to eat it, and put your favorite toppings on and enjoy these. These are so good. They're full of flavor. I love them. You'll love them too. Any questions? Make sure you reach me on my Instagram or Facebook fan page, and I'll be so happy to answer any questions you have. And if you make these, tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram, and I will be so happy to see what you did with your burgers.